I'm Matt. This is After 5 Garage. And come and bag this Acura wagon with us. Alright, so we are not at the After 5 garage. We are back at my boy Chang's garage. This time we're not working on the Z. The Nismo's been running beautifully. We're not here to work on that today. We're actually work on the family car. It is his black Acura wagon. My boy's bagging it. So that was our little fun adventure we're excited to do today. A lot of people coming to help, lend a hand, so should be a good process. They're already ripping stuff apart. We're already trying to map out how we're going to do the trunk. So let's go talk to the man himself and see what the plan is.
All right, what's up, guys? So as Matt introduced, we're not working on Nismo today. We're actually working on my daily, which is a 2012 Acura TSX Sport Wagon. What we are doing today, we are putting this bitch on air suspension. As y'all can tell, it's a bit of a mess back here, but long story short, we're gonna go ahead and actually we're trying to figure out exactly how our tanks and compressors are sitting. Peek at the car real quick. Currently, it's obviously on jack stands while the wheels taken off. Nothing crazy, no aftermarket wheels are going on just yet. But long story short, like I said, all we're really doing is just putting air on the car. The cool thing about what we're doing today though, actually, you know, people are gonna ask me, oh, what kind of management did you get? You know, did you get with your typical airlift 3P, 3H, whatever, right? No, because they're too expensive. And I don't have money like that, and I don't have $5,000 to spend on everything, right? What I did spend on the most was quality air struts, which shout out to AirTech. They make quality air struts. I spent the most on that. But enough about me rambling. This is the management that we went ahead and got. I have a friend named Christian who has started a new company called Ruin Air. If you look up his website, it's ruincreations.com. And on Instagram, you can find him at Ruin Air. Shout out to Ruin Air. That's how we doing it, man. Oh, shit.
So Chang introduced Ruin. Let's talk to the man, the myth, who created it. So what makes your management different? What makes your controllers different? Why should we go with Ruin over Airlift?
So I started this exactly for that reason. 3 years ago, I wanted to bag my hatchback Corolla, and Airlift was too expensive. It had too many issues. It leaked internally. So being with my background, I was like, I can make something better. Spent 2 years building something, and now we're at a point where we're really happy with it. It's a divorce system. You get a universal manifold that you can repair if anything leaks. You can set it up, hide it, and make it a really clean setup. It's so easy to work on. You use this wire harness right here. That comes with the kit, hooks up to all your sensors. Everything's very clearly labeled.
Oh, everything's labeled,
and
very
then this
nice.
is all your pins with your front up, front down. You get a nice little clip. And this is the most important part. Not only do you get all the industry standard features, so like presets, leak detection, all your pressures, it also comes with like compressor control, so you don't have to get pressure sensors. Everything is managed by this brain. This is also wireless. It has MagSafe on the back. Put a MagSafe battery on here, and you could walk probably 500 feet down the road and control your car.
So that's got some range.
Yes, yeah.
That's cool.
I was at Sons Enough, North Carolina last year, and I was outside of the building watching people look at my car, and I would make it go up and down.
Oh,
and
man.
for me.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, my Airlift definitely can't do that.
Oh, let him know about the new update that you got coming up too.
Yes, so next month, hopefully we're coming out with an update that lets you connect an Xbox or PS4 remote, and you'll be able to control your bags with
Oh,
joysticks
man.
and everything.
You might convince me to switch management. That's
Can
cool.
Airlift do that?
Yeah, that's cool.
I don't know.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like that.
So,
Very cool. Definitely, I'm definitely gonna add a link to the Instagram and everything so people can find you. And
Absolutely.
that's awesome, dude.
We also do a lot of custom stuff for for Chang, we're doing a custom insert to cover his old CD player, and then over his remote will go.
Yep.
We do a lot of stuff like that just to make your builds a little more custom. You know, it's more personal.
I'm all about it.
and I gotta say one more thing: the customer service for Ruin Air is top notch. If you guys are local to North Carolina,
You're not just saying that because he's here, right? I mean,
no,
Okay.
no.
I'm here, though.
That's the thing.
He is here.
It's the
Okay,
proof.
that's a good
Exactly.
point. He's literally here helping you
guys
install it. All right, there
are
you go.
local in the Charlotte area, Charlotte metro area. hit up Ruben Air, man. He'll get you set up. He'll come out. He'll help you brainstorm. He'll get everything planned out. Once again, his website has a whole spreadsheet of what you need on his website. That is exactly where I got everything. I got everything off Amazon. Now, some of y'all might be like, "Oh, you got that Chinese shit." It's okay, all right? I'm Asian.
What did he say?
You know what? But regardless of that, that's fine. They're all the same. It might not say Vire on the compressors, but I promise you it works the same. Trust.
I did a lot of research when I'm looking at all these parts. I actually run these in my car. I've had them for 2 years. I daily drive it. A lot of this, like specifically these compressors, are made by the same company that make Vire. This is the same company that makes not airlifts, AirTex manifold or AccuAir. Now they're no longer in business, so you can get them for really cheap. Everything is thoroughly tested, made sure everything works. I've never had issues, even in cold weather. So we try to do as much as like testing as we can before we let you guys buy anything. We don't want you buying something and it going horribly wrong.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You just dropped it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You dumb
Jackass.
Sorry. Sorry, that's for me being gay.
The car shit.
bitch. Say, yeah.
Laura's been through all that stuff already.
Should be making me look straight.
Alright, it's hand time. Yeah, we're cool. Yeah.
All right, guys, sorry. I'll be honest with you. I have not been the best cameraman today. I've just been helping the guys get this going and getting this finished. But let me just show you what we have so far. The biggest challenge right now is just getting the whole trunk set up correct, getting all the wires and everything. So we still got to put the other tank right here. We're going to have 2 tanks, 2 compressors. Right now, everything is in the testing phase. So we are going to go to O'Reilly's or Home Depot, but we're going to get some butt connectors and everything to make sure all these wires get connected correctly. As you can see, we got all the wires cleanly routed, taken care of. Tim has been killing it as far as the struts. So Tim's been doing all the struts. He's got both rears. Yeah, so there's both rears. So making really good progress today. Once we get back, we're going to finish up the wiring, and then we are going to run the air lines all the way back to the manifold. Yeah, buddy.
Jesus fucking Christ. Why is this not screwing in? Is it because the thread tape is on there? Brother.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay. Now, matter of what direction this was sitting again. Okay, alright, we're going in the good direction.
All right. As you can see, it is now nighttime, and we're still working on it. Tim's lights on his car. Beautiful, cool. We're still working on it. We got to finish getting the power cables over to the battery. We got to finish connecting the air tanks. As far as wiring goes, all the wiring is done. Knocked that out. Tim knocked out the whole suspension, so all the struts are done. Once we get the cables to the battery and we get the tanks mounted and we got the air lines going to the air tanks, then we should be ready. We should be good to go. In this video, I really didn't want to make this a step-by-step DIY tutorial, how-to, if you will. Just wanted to make it like a little, just like the homies hanging out in the garage bagging the Acura. So, yeah. All right, Chang, starting it up.
lid on top? It's gonna be pretty quiet.
The left one.
Alright, so how you link
This is right front.
Where's right rear?
Rear's gonna be right
Is it
here
top?
underneath. This is right
I see
there.
it right here. Yeah.
But beyond that point, that's gonna sit.
Alright,
Okay,
so-
so one plug goes here, and then we need
If somebody wants to
air
go
line fit in here. Right.
up front, feel like hold on to the left bag. I'm gonna put air in it, and we're gonna make sure we got the sides right.
Alright.
Ready?
I'm ready whenever.
Alright.
Yep.
Yep.
Air's in it.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll go to the front right.
Yep. Do it one more time.
Go for it.
Yep. Go somewhere. We have the plug right here.
No.
Okay, so that plug goes over here.
Yep, there you go.
This guy doesn't
Yep, airing out. Yep, I feel it.
All right, you're almost out of air, but I put 20 in each, and we'll just watch it.
Unless you get some Windex.
Yeah, some Windex, soapy water.
Yeah.
But we can go ahead and clean this up. We're done back here.
So instead of spraying the manifold, he's using a Q-tip
Soapy water.
and soapy water,
Nothing
so
on
he
that
doesn't
one.
have to expose the manifold to water.
That one's got a small leak.
Yep, got a small one right there.
Small leak on the one side. Is this yours, by the way?
Yes,
Let's throw this away.
Thank you. Test the sensors. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Okay, all the sensors are good.
Just might have to tighten this one down just a little bit more.
Looks like this one's got a leak too.
Yep.
Small one.
Okay.
That one's good. Let me see if this one's got one on this side. No.
All right, one last look at all the wires and everything before we cover it up. Dude, hidden trunk setup.
That's what I was trying to go for, man.
And we did it.
Y'all want to see? Look at this shit. Here, start with the tank.
Okay.
Nice. Ready? Look at that.
Oh, what is it though? There's
I don't
nothing
know.
here.
I don't know.
What's
What's
up?
missing? No shit. There it is.
Okay.
That's crazy. And look,
Richie has real quiet with that on top too.
just like y'all never seen it.
look at he's so happy.
That's just crazy, man. I am happy.
That's true.
Because that one setup you showed us earlier.
All right, I think that's good. Pressure test it.
Woohoo!
There you go. Yep.
Right there.
Nice. It worked. That's all I care about. It worked.
There you go. Nice and clean.
Good looks with that. Oh boys, oh boy.
I mean, it's all right.
Alright, so then what's next? Taking it off the ground or?
We air it up first and then put it down. You turn on the settings mode, puts off a Wi-Fi signal, and you connect to it, it auto launches this page. You can set your PSIs and name them whatever you want. And this is where you set your compressor control, your low pressure warnings, and where you can upload updates. Because we'll have updates that go out every once in a while. So I'm going to set this to 110, and we're going to do 170 on that. Save.
Gotcha.
And save. Save. Cool. Let that go. It's also because the car's like this.
That. Yeah, so it's a little.
I think you got a little too much air in the back.